Today I'm going to talk about Design Board, the Figma plugin, and how we use it at Destination Eichler, an interior design firm in the Bay Area. So for starters, you'll find the plugin in the community section. Figma, uh, nothing too fancy looking. It's more about functionality here. What we wanted to do was create something that connected to a spreadsheet. A lot of companies, a lot of organizations keep data, keep organized within spreadsheets, and sometimes accessing it and interacting with it in Figma is challenging. So I designed this connector to bring your spreadsheet data um, not only into Figma, but save certain things back out. So it's kind of like a pseudo database, but um, not exactly going to call it a database yet. So you'll need a few things to get going. You'll need the Figma plugin. You'll need to go to this website, designboard.destinationeichler.com. You'll need your spreadsheet of data. Here's my sample one. Um, and that's it. So what we're trying to do, the most complicated part of this whole thing is connecting the spreadsheet to Figma. There's a key exchange that we're doing manually. Typically, you would go to a site and hit the connect. Do you authorize Google to do this, that, and the other? And you say sure. They don't really have that. At least we haven't discovered it since when we developed it. So you have to do that manually. The auth token. So you'll say, all right, I'm going to use the spreadsheet with my Figma plugin. You go to the token generator, plug that in. I'm signed in already. Nope, it's having me make sure I sign in again. And this is what we're after, the token. So then after you have the plugin installed and you're in a design, you can go ahead and open the plugin and stick the token in. That's the first thing you got to do, otherwise you can't do anything at all. So that starts to read in the information from the spreadsheet. I've got aims, a lamp, pillow. These are all the things that were in here. Going back. And there are multiple tabs in the spreadsheet, which you can toggle here. You can then minimize this. You don't want to close it, or you can just open it again, but you'll want to minimize it. And how you use it is you first create a template, and you can grab all this and customize it the way you like. But I've got fields here for how we use it. We use it for product and item callouts, so name, description, etc. So we've got a visual component here. If you look at something like this, sample card. And once you select it and open this back up, you can then click on the items you want to insert. And it takes the design component and uses that as a template to insert all these items. So then you hit add items to Figma. It'll transfer some stuff behind the scenes and let you know when it's ready. So I'll minimize this. There you go. So I've run this numerous times, but these are probably the items that were just added. And it's not going to be, perfect every time. We'll have to go in and adjust certain things like this to take care of things that just ran over too long. But it saves you a ton of time to get spreadsheet information into Figma. Um, I know there's another spreadsheet connector, but it's mainly just a read-only. What we can do here is go to manage items, actually write information back to the spreadsheet. So if you're looking at this and say, you know what, it's actually called something else, you can actually update it in Figma, and you'll see it here, update. And that is an added upgrade to this extension. So that is all for now. Hopefully you can find it useful. We're going to be adding additional features to it, and I can't wait to see other applications for this type of service.